Hi friends, I am so happy and excited to share with you that I have finally completed my 21 days workout challenge. And as promised, I had put up all my workout videos on my Instagram profile. I have received so many likes, so many views and comments from each of y'all. Thank you so much everyone for the love and support that you provided so that it could motivate me to keep up the rigor on a daily basis. Thank you very much for that. Friends, today in this video, I'm bringing up for you a compilation of all these 21 days, a sneak peek in my 21 days journey as to what all I did to be able to get back in shape. I would urge you to go ahead and watch the video and leave your comments in the comment section if you like that. Again, a reminder to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done. And I would urge you to go ahead and start your 21 days challenge, because I'm honestly feeling very much in shape and I'm feeling very, my stamina has really gone up in these last 21 days. So I would urge you to also start an exercise routine for the next 21 days. And it could be anything. Like I said in my earlier video, it could be anything. It could be some small exercises at your house, or you could go for a walk, jog, skip, whatever. You don't have to really hit the gym only. You could do anything, but the idea is to get your body moving. That's it, right? So here you go. Go ahead and watch this video and give me a like and give me a comment if you like the video. Exercising is not only beneficial for your physical fitness, but it also has multiple other benefits. It improves your memory and brain function. It improves your lifespan, increases the longevity of our journey of life. It enables our muscle strength and balance of our body and prevents falls as well. It improves joint pains and stiffness if there is any. It helps us to combat many illnesses or diseases like cancer or many other life-threatening diseases as well. Exercises reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Exercising improves your quality of sleep. It also lowers your blood pressure and improves your heart health. And exercises can protect you against many chronic diseases which happens at the age. So exercising has multiple benefits, not something which we can ignore, and that is exactly why I urge each one of you to exercise on a daily basis. Whatever shape and form you want to exercise, whether you want to cycle, jog, run, go to the gym, do weight training, do squats, do dumbbells, swimming, anything, yoga, anything, but exercising is a must for everyone. The only thing constant with us in our lifetime is our body, and that is why it is extremely important to take care of our body such that it sustains the test of time with us. Fitness is not about being better than somebody else. Rather, it is about being the best version of your own self. The thought of being fit, the idea of exercising every day, the idea of working out every day, itself is the starting point of your fitness journey. It is more of a mental power than the physical power that you're building. Every time the thought of going to the gym, every time the thought of lifting the weights, every time the thought of pushing yourself to the edge is actually taking you and your mind to a next level, taking your willpower to the next level. It is not only your physical strength that you're building, but you're also building your mental strength and capability and endurance in the journey. We all have an athlete within us, which we have forgotten over time. And the thought of hitting the gym or the thought of exercising is reactivating that athlete within us to go ahead and perform, to go ahead and move, to go ahead and revolve itself. That's how you're building up your own capability. Fitness is also not about spending just that 1 hour in the gym or working out just 1 hour. It is actually much more than that. It is about how you spend the rest of the 23 hours of the day. What you eat, what you move, how much active you are, that is all what matters in the fitness journey. Alright, I hope you really like the video. Give me a like if you like the video and leave your comments if you enjoyed the video. I will definitely come back next week with some more inspirational and interesting videos for all of you guys. Till then, keep liking my channel, keep watching my channel, and take care of yourself. I'll see you next time. Bye.